As we continue our week-long tribute to retro TV shows, today we're cooking up a comforting main dish that might have been served in the Cunningham's kitchen or at Al's Drive-In on the set of Happy Days. That's right, for 11 seasons, starting in the mid-1970s, America tuned in weekly to see what the Cunninghams were up to, including the antics of Richie and his best friend, Arthur Fonzarelli, better known as the Fonz. You know, I think what made the show the most successful sitcom of its time was that it highlighted the happier moments of the 50s and early 60s, hence the name of the show. So to bring back those happy days, today I want to share our recipe for Salisbury steak. After combining some ground beef with breadcrumbs, chopped scallions, an egg, a little mustard, and a bit of salt and pepper, we form it into patties and saute them until they're browned and cooked through. To take these over the top, we finish them with a homemade mushroom gravy, just like Mrs. C probably would have. To get the recipe for our Diner-Style Salisbury Steak, all you have to do is stop by our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Happy Days kind of way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.